Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to link Cashapp with Regions Bank. So if you haven't signed up for Cashapp just yet, you can use my link down below in order to get $5 instantly deposited into your Cashapp account once you do sign up. But once you do sign up, you're going to reach a page that looks like this here. Click on the profile icon on the upper right hand side. Afterwards, scroll down to where it says linked banks. However, if it doesn't say linked banks, it might say like linked card. What I found is that you do need to link your debit card in order to see the option for linked banks. But in my case, I'm going to go ahead and click on linked banks. And then from here, you can see that I already have my debit card already linked, which allowed me to see the option to link my bank next. So go ahead and click on link bank again. Give it a couple of seconds to load. And then on this prompt, go ahead and click on continue. And then you want to scroll down until you see regions. Once you see regions on the right hand side, go ahead and click on it. And then from here, this is where you're going to log onto your Regions Bank. So once you log into your Regions Bank, you're just going to follow a series of prompts that allows you to actually link Cashapp with Regions Bank. But that is how you link Cashapp to Regions Bank. And again, if you haven't signed up for Cashapp just yet, you can use my link down below in order to get $5 instantly deposited into your account once you do sign up.